Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the Learn, Develop, Live podcast with your 1 minute of motivation. Now, this is just another quote to help to try and kickstart your day. And here are those words of wisdom from Usain Bolt. I trained 4 years to run 9 seconds, and people give up when they don't see results in 2 months. Now, this is something that so many people either don't get or really just do not understand. For anyone who wants to look to succeed, they must be willing to put in the time, the effort and commitment towards their craft, their talent and their dream. It's the time spent behind closed doors that prepares you to perform in front of others on the big stage. 4 years training to run 9 seconds can also lead to the success and glory that your commitment earned you along the way.
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.